Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In the previous video, we explored the differences between grilling and pan-frying German sausages. Now, let's dive into the best techniques to make sure your sausages turn out tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Mastering the art of pan-frying German sausages involves a few key techniques. The right fat, proper heat, and careful monitoring are crucial for achieving that perfect balance of crispy skin and juicy interior. Consider these tips for pan-frying success. Choose the right fat. The type of fat you use can impact flavor and browning. Lard. A traditional choice, lard imparts a rich, authentic flavor and provides excellent browning. Butter. Butter adds a nutty, rich taste, but watch the heat. Butter can burn easily if the pan is too hot. High smoke point oils. Oils like canola, sunflower, or grapeseed oil are good neutral options. They allow the sausage's flavor to stand out and can handle medium heat without smoking. Use low to medium heat. This is perhaps the most critical tip. High heat can lead to a burnt exterior and an undercooked or dried out interior. Low to medium heat allows the sausage to cook through slowly and evenly. It also helps to develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Achieve even browning. Place sausages in a single layer in the pan, giving them enough space. Do not overcrowd the pan. Turn them regularly to ensure uniform browning on all sides. This creates a consistently appealing texture. Cook through without drying out. The key is patience. Let the gentle heat do its work. Covering the pan for part of the cooking time can help keep moisture in, especially for thicker sausages. Remove the cover for the last few minutes to crisp up the skin. You know the sausage is done when it is firm to the touch and hot all the way through. Traditional pairings for pan-fried sausage. Pan-fried German sausages are hearty and flavorful on their own, but they truly shine when served with traditional accompaniments. These pairings create a balanced and satisfying meal. Here are some classic sides for your pan-fried sausages. Mashed potatoes, Kartoffelpüree. Creamy, smooth mashed potatoes are a comforting partner. They soak up any delicious pan drippings or gravy. Gravy, Bratwurst. A rich, savory gravy made from meat drippings or a simple stock elevates the dish. It adds moisture and depth of flavor. This makes each bite even more enjoyable. Braised red cabbage, Rotkohl. This sweet and sour side dish provides a wonderful contrast to the richness of the sausage. Its vibrant color and tangy taste are a perfect match. Different types of bread. Rye bread, Roggenbrot. A dense, often sour rye bread offers a robust texture and flavor that stands up well to the sausage. Crusty rolls, Brötchen. Simple, fresh rolls are ideal for making a sausage sandwich. They are also great for soaking up any sauces. Pretzels, Brezeln. A soft, chewy pretzel can provide a slightly salty and unique alternative to bread. Nutritional aspects and flavor profiles. When you're deciding between grilling and pan-frying your German sausage, you're not just choosing a cooking method. You're also influencing its final taste, texture, and even its nutritional qualities. Each approach brings unique characteristics to the table. Let's explore how these methods shape your sausage experience. Impact on flavor and texture. Grilling offers smoky notes and a charred exterior, while pan-frying results in a richer, more uniform browning and can keep the sausage juicier. The way you cook your sausage significantly alters its flavor and texture. Grilling gives you that unmistakable smoky note, a hallmark of open flame cooking. The heat from the grill also creates a crispy, charred exterior with appealing grill marks. This method often results in a drier, firmer bite, especially if not managed carefully. Pan frying, on the other hand, excels at producing a richer, more uniform browning. This happens due to the Maillard reaction, a chemical process between amino acids and reducing sugars. It creates hundreds of new flavor compounds, giving the sausage a deep, savory crust. Unlike grilling, pan frying often keeps the sausage juicier inside because the fat and moisture tend to stay contained within the pan. You get a consistent crispness all around, rather than distinct char marks. Fat content and health considerations. Thinking about fat content is key, as cooking methods handle it differently. When you grill a sausage, the fat often renders and drips away directly onto the coals or heat source. This can result in a slightly leaner final product, as much of the rendered fat isn't consumed. Some might find this appealing for health reasons. Conversely, during pan frying, any fat that renders from the sausage remains in the pan. This fat often contributes to the rich flavor and moistness of the sausage. It also means you might consume more of the rendered fat compared to grilling. However, this extra fat in the pan can be delicious for soaking up with bread or mixing with other ingredients in your meal. Regional preferences and cultural significance. Germany's rich sausage tradition shows itself not just in variety but also in how people cook them. Cooking methods often tie into regional customs and even local festivals. What might be a grilling staple in one area could be a pan-fried favorite just a few hundred miles away. This reflects deep-seated cultural preferences and the historical way of life in different parts of Germany. Bavarian traditions and pan-frying. When you think of Bavaria, you likely picture beer gardens and hearty food. Here, sausages often find their way onto a pan or into a pot rather than a grill. The famous Wurst, for example, is a classic Bavarian breakfast sausage. It gets gently heated in hot water, never boiled, and certainly not grilled. This keeps its delicate texture and flavor. Other Bavarian sausages are also often pan-fried, especially for indoor meals. Consider the smaller, finer sausages that you might enjoy for lunch or dinner. These are perfect for a quick pan fry, achieving a nice brown crust while staying juicy inside. Pan frying fits well into Bavarian cooking, which often involves preparing rich, flavorful dishes indoors. This method lets the cook control the heat precisely, essential for many Bavarian sausage types. Northern German grilling culture. Move north in Germany, and the aroma of grilling fills the air, especially during warmer months. Northern Germany, with its love for outdoor gatherings and festivals, features grilling prominently. Take the Bratwurst, especially the longer, coarser varieties. These are often sizzled over open flames at public events, street markets, and family barbecues. Grilling is a social event in northern Germany. People gather around the grill at festivals like the Woche or at local neighborhood parties. The smoky flavor and crispy casing that come from grilling are highly prized here. It's more than just cooking, it is a way of life, symbolizing community and enjoyment of the outdoors. The robust nature of many northern German sausages also makes them ideal for the direct heat of a grill. They hold their shape and develop a fantastic char. Whether you prefer the smoky char of a grilled Bratwurst or the crispy, rich exterior of a pan-fried Nürnberger, both cooking methods offer distinct ways to enjoy German sausages. Each technique brings out unique flavors and textures, showing the incredible versatility of this beloved German food. Trying both grilling and pan frying lets you appreciate the depth of Germany's sausage tradition. So, fire up the grill or heat up your pan and discover your own favorite. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.